What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamaraly and my channel is all about helping you either start or grow your e-commerce agency or e-commerce store. Now for those of you who are new here, just for the record, I want you guys to know that I actually run my own e-commerce agency myself, as well as an e-commerce store. And on my channel, I share tips and strategies with you on how to grow your online business. So if you like the sound of that, then be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified of each and every time that I post. Now, for those who are new here, I want to inform you guys that I have actually challenged myself, and I have been posting a video every single day for the last like 16 days. I think this video is my 16th or 17th video. I kind of lost track here. However, there is still, I think, like 2 more weeks left of me posting. So be sure to tune in, subscribe to my channel, and also turn your post notifications on so that you guys are notified of when I post. Now, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be discussing with you personal branding, all about personal branding, going much more in depth in it, how to monetize your personal brand, what is a personal brand, why is it important to build your personal brand, and all of that good stuff. If you guys actually see me looking down, it's because I actually have a couple of notes here so that I can follow along so I can stay on track within this video to not make it long, because this is a topic that I can go on and on about forever. Now, personal branding, before I actually jump into the gist of the video, if you guys are someone who wonders how can I make an income or how can I make money off of doing something that I love, personal branding is exactly where it's at. It's actually one of the top 3 ways on how to make income and make money online in 2021, probably every single year following 2021 at that. Now, personal branding is key to literally everything. I mean, myself, for example, I built a strong personal brand on my social media platform, Instagram, here on YouTube, Just Off Marketing. And I'm going to share with you exactly how I was able to do that and how you guys can too. So without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling and just jump right into the video. Now, what is a personal brand? Now, a personal brand is what people perceive about you based on what they know about you. Now, in reference to that, and what a personal brand is, when you pick apart that kind of definition, what people perceive about you based on what they know about you, you need to understand that what you're basically putting out, what you're talking about on your social media platforms, or just to people just in general, like face to face, whether you're like networking with people, whatever you're dishing out and giving them kind of like an impression of yourself is what they're going to perceive about you and what your personal brand of yourself is going to be. Now, for example, my YouTube channel here, in the beginning of my YouTube channel, dating back to I think 2016 or 2017 when I first got on this platform, I always posted videos in regards to makeup, beauty, doing reviews on makeup products, and that was what I essentially loved and was really passionate about back then and when I first started my YouTube channel. However, that has quickly changed. At the same time as I started my YouTube channel, I also started my agency. So it took about 3-4 years to really get off my feet and learn and become an expert and become this passionate about this specific topic, which is business, e-commerce, marketing. So that is exactly why my YouTube channel has changed, and now every single video that I post is in regards to social media marketing tips, how to make you guys money online, how to grow and scale your online business, whether it's your social media marketing agency owner or an e-commerce store owner or just anyone who has an online business. My channel is here to help you, and that's what I shifted to and what I solely post on. So keep that in mind. So whenever someone either looks me up on Google, Jamaraly Rodriguez, or finds or comes across me on Instagram or my YouTube channel, they already know this is the girl who talks about e-commerce and talks about social media marketing. And if they need anything in regards to social media marketing or e-commerce tips and strategies, or anything about Wix or anything business related, that Jamaraly is the person to come to. Now, the importance of building a personal brand. When you build a personal brand, you are building a strong audience around your passion and your expertise. And the way that you do this and you build that strong passion and expertise, this is delivered to your audience through all of your content. Now, when I say building a strong audience, you're essentially building your platform up for when it's time for you to drop either a product or come out with your business venture or whatever it is that you plan on coming out with later on in your whole business venture journey realm. And what I mean by that is, let's say if you were a fitness person and you've been posting nonstop for years now about your workouts, you know, and people have been asking for, when are you going to drop a workout guide? I want to see your workouts. However, you've been posting videos like little reels or just videos on your feed on Instagram and maybe TikTok now. What happens when it's time for you to actually come out and release like a course or like a fitness coaching program or something of that sort? You need to make sure that you have potential buyers up in line and people who trust in you and will essentially buy from you. That is essentially why it's so important to build a strong personal brand, because essentially what you're doing is building a strong audience, whereas those people are basically like a list of potential buyers for you. Now on to how to actually build your personal brand. I sort of kind of touched base on this in like my previous points that I was just making before this topic. However, if you're asking yourself, how do I actually build a personal brand? Now this is exactly how you need to do that. Now, what I would suggest and what I usually always say is the first thing that you need to do is you have to find a niche. You have to know what you're passionate about or what you can talk about nonstop, which is essentially what your expertise is in or what you're basically an expert at. Now, once you know your industry, niche, what you're passionate about or what you have some sort of expertise in, what you need to be doing is you need to be posting and delivering to your current audience on your social media platforms. You need to constantly be posting value-added content, super valuable content, because when you post valuable content in regards to what it is you're passionate about or what your niche is, you will then gain a larger and a stronger audience that will know of you, that will like the things that you post and will eventually convert and trust in you. The key here is to give off tons and tons of value to that audience and to the audience that you will then grow, because once you give all this value added content, you're coming from a position of value, and these people in your audience will see you as an expert in whatever it is that, you know, you're really passionate about or whatever it is that you are delivering to them. Now, a great example of this and something that you guys can start if you guys are watching this video and you want to start building your personal brand is, once you find out what you're passionate about or what you love, challenge yourself to post on your Instagram, your TikTok, or whatever social media platform that you really want to dominate. Here on YouTube, if that, challenge yourself to post a video, a quote, you know, a post every single day related to your expertise and to your passion, to your niche for 90 days. Do those hashtags and see how fast you'll grow an audience. I promise you, you will grow an audience fast. You'll gain a lot of subscribers, followers. Like I said, challenge yourself to post 90 days on whatever it is you're super passionate about. And I promise you, you will then start to begin and build your personal brand. People will know you for whatever it is that you're passionate about, and you will then start building a strong audience surrounded of that. Now, lastly, now you guys might be asking yourself, how can I actually monetize my personal brand, or how can I make money off of my personal brand? Now, there's tons and tons of ways to actually start making money off of your personal brand. And a few of those ways are by releasing some courses. Now, for example, if you're in the social media marketing realm, just like I am, you can come out with courses. And again, you don't necessarily have to be a social media marketing agency to come out with a course. I mean, you can do this on literally anything that you're trying to educate someone or your audience on. You can come out with a course, or you can come out with coaching, mentorship programs. I'm pretty sure you see that a lot. Again, not only in the social media marketing or marketing realm, you also see this with a lot of your health and beauty gurus in the industry. Sorry, I had to drink my coffee. Now, you can also come out with ebooks, short little ebooks that you can price at a fair, reasonable price, where you're educating or giving out some tips and strategies that you, again, are an expert in and that could help your potential audience. You can monetize your personal brand by here on YouTube, just like I am. I get paid for making these videos for you, educating you, and giving out all of this value that I'm delivering to you by my YouTube ad revenue. So every time someone watches my video, comments, you know, likes my video, subscribes to my channel, you guys are all doing me a favor and helping. So I appreciate you guys so much. So thank you. And then you can also come out with merch. And now, again, these are all a few examples of what you guys can kind of release and drop and make money off of from building your personal brand and having your strong audience. Again, your audience is basically like a list of potential buyers for whatever it is that you would come out with. However, there are so many more things that you can actually come out with to monetize your brand. However, again, this is just a few to give you an idea of what you guys can be doing and how you guys can start making money off of your passion and your expertise. Now, A perfect example of this is Ace Family. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of the Ace Family. They are literally huge. They're probably the #1 like family fun channel here that we have on this platform, as well as Instagram. However, they built a huge, strong personal brand. You hear Ace Family, you think of Catherine, Austin, Elle, you know, Alea, and Steele now. You think of that entire family as soon as you hear the name Ace Family, you know? But they came onto the platform, they started making family fun videos, vlogs, pranks, and they've built such a strong army, as they call it, and a strong audience that follows and supports literally everything of them, because again, they've built and they've given out all this content that makes these people smile, that makes these people happy, and have gained so much support from their followers and subscribers on both YouTube and Instagram that literally everything that they post or come out with, they have like a legit army, as they say, backed by them to come in and, you know, buy their app that they once had. I don't even know if they have it anymore, or buy their merch, their Ace Family merch, their hoodies, shirts, hats, whatever it is that they have. They have all that stuff. Their boxing stuff, people will fly out just to see them when they have those like basketball games and tournaments, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. Now that's a perfect example. Now another example is for all of my fitness and health ladies and gentlemen that I have here on my channel. You know, if you have a passion for fitness, what I would highly recommend you guys do is get on Instagram, get on TikTok especially, because TikTok, the algorithm to TikTok is insane. Start with TikTok. I mean, come on, TikTok is great. Get on TikTok, post videos of your workouts, gain your followers, post videos and pictures on your Instagram of your transformations, and watch how many people will subscribe and follow your channels and social media platforms just because of your results and the content that you're delivering. Give them tips, give them out value, because once they see your transformation, your before and afters, the results you're able to give, and they see that you are consistently posting all the time on your social media platforms, they will follow you, they will in turn like you, and then they will trust whatever it is that you have to put out, because they see that you were able to go from point A to point B with your results or your testimonials, or if you do train other people and, you know, the person was 300 pounds and now they're 150 pounds with heck of a lot of muscle on them. Those testimonials are the reason why your audience will then gain trust in you. And then when it comes time for you to actually monetize your platform and your personal brand, people will know you as the fitness guru, that person who makes glutes larger or grows, you know, a bigger upper body or legs or whatever it is that you specialize in and are passionate about. People will know you as that. So when it comes time for you to come out with a coaching program where, you know, you charge people for like one-on-ones and you're discussing and creating like a health and fitness plan for them, they'll be more inclined and more likely to purchase from you, and you have such a strong audience and list of potential buyers already ready for whatever it is that you will then in turn come out with to sell to them. So to just summarize this entire video up, again, I didn't want to make it too long. I just kind of wanted to brush along the basics of personal branding, why it's important and how to monetize it, is find and based off your passion and what you're an expert as. You need to build an audience around your passion and your expertise by delivering all of that value-added content. Once you delivered all this value-added content, you will then build a strong group of people who trust in you, who like the content that you have to put out. And when it comes time for you to actually monetize your personal brand, you will have a list of potential buyers already lined up, excited for whatever it is that you will then in turn come out with to sell to them. Now, that being said, that completes this entire video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that this has helped you with knowing how you can turn your passion or expertise into money. This is your personal brand, building your personal brand. So with that being said, I'm just going to close out the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have not already, give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below on what you guys would like to see next. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.